So in this tutorial I'll show you how to deposit with your Binance Pay. So you see you have to select Binance Pay. So I am depositing in my social account actually. So social account and main account deposit process would be same. So you have to press on deposit, and now you have to select Binance Pay and press the amount. So suppose I am deposit $10, press on continue, and it will redirect to the deposit area. So now you have to open Binance apps on your mobile. You see I have a 331 balance, top right corner scanner. Just scan it and press on continue. And you have to verify it with your Face ID. This is my iPhone, and Android process would be same. So you see payment has been complete. Let's check my balance again. 321 $10 already minus. So let's check my Exness account now. Back to merchant, and we are preparing processing the transaction. Okay, but my balance already add in my account. You see $10 USDT deposit transaction history. So within couple of seconds you can make deposit with Binance on your Exness, and you can easily start a social trading. So hope video helpful. Please do subscribe and thumbs up. Have a good day. Thank you.